This is the Choetech USB Type-C to HDMI adapter off Amazon. I got it for, I think it was $11.99, and basically it can be used if you've got a USB-C like laptop, for example, like one of the MacBooks that only have Thunderbolt on them, and you want to connect to an external display, then this is for you. I don't have it advertises 4K 60Hz, but I don't actually have a 4K monitor to test it on, and I don't actually have a monitor above 60Hz to be able to test whether at 1080p it can go above 60Hz. But I know it can do 1080p 60Hz, and that's all I can really tell you, unfortunately. It's pretty nicely constructed. Feels pretty solid. Nice short little cable. Comes with some paperwork. Nothing too exciting. Don't think you'd need the instructions, honestly. It's a bit self-explanatory. But otherwise, yeah, that's it.